Alright guys, so now we're in the hood. As you can see, like, let's film. Oh my god, did he get hit? Oh my god. Guys, this is great content. He just got hit. He got hit by a car. There was a dude that got hit by a car, lady. It's not funny. Got hit by a car, but we're going to the Scottsdale. Let me flip you around. Hold on, we're going to the Scottsdale Mall right now just to get food, but what? Bro, yeah guys, we just found this clean ass car. Look.
I got you.
Yes, sir.
Go. Let the kids go.
Yeah, you never know. What? Well, M4. Damn. You flipped him off?
Oh yeah!
A little pull? Alright, we just got to the mall entrance. Jada, let them know you're here. No.
Jay and Bradley has
so the phone case got annihilated. We got some cracks and rips.
Shit. We gotta get a phone case for this guy.
We gotta get a phone case.
Show him the phone case. Show him the phone case.
It's treacherous. Do you have any for the iPhone?
Does he know phone?
I don't.
Show him.
Oh, you got it?
The video, you stop the video?
What?
You're stopping the video, you stop the video? What? You're stopping the video?
It's not, it's photos,
That's fine, but you're stopping.
I know, nothing, it's not filming. It's...
Okay, that's
yeah.
Okay. How do you need to?
I just need a phone case for the iPhone. All down here?
I thought they were saying... Oh yeah, dude, say something.
Yo, what's up, guys?
What's up?
Ooh.
Elijah Jawaro.
Yeah.
Got it.
Search up.
Do you actually?
Nope, now I have 600. we got our first haters IRL.
25.
God damn!
You got
Who's going back?
You got...
Beat your ass up, boy.
quarters at us?
Who threw a quarter? God.
What?
Oh, my back. Alright guys, so first haters.
As you
I
also...
just feel like they're back there. I mean,
haters.
bro, I mean, what the fuck is up, YouTube? Today we got another video.
What the fuck is wrong?
Yes, man.
Alright, well.
And use us the intro.
Well, we're leaving the mall now. As you guys seen, Jaden caused a scene, but we're going home right now. I don't think we have anything planned, but pick y'all if anything fun happens at least. Alright guys, so we're going to a drift event right now with Pierce. What is he doing? We have a long drive. Oh my god, thank you, sir. Thank you. Well, 35 per person, and we can't even go in because all the drifters left. Pierce, do you have any input?
Well, I mean,
yeah, I'm telling the camera.
I mean, if you guys didn't spend an hour.
What the fuck?
No,
this is not on us.
No,
You said we'll be chilling all the time.
So we're just gonna drive around and see if anything's going on.
We left.
They're arguing now. They're arguing. So I don't know what was going on with the audio on the camera, but it was pretty much filming in slow-mo while we were walking in, and the microphone was off, so I'm just gonna tell you guys what's going on. So it ended up being 35 per person. I think I already told you guys that, but pretty much we all just paid for it, and we're going in, and I'm just gonna show you all the content I got in there with the drift event and the drag racing event, which can be super cool. So just stay till the end and watch the whole thing so you can watch all of the drag race and the drift event. And one of the drag racing cars actually blew up, so, and I got all that content, so make sure you guys watch till the end.
Yo, Dish, light this shit up, bro.
Hit me understand. These little niggas they lame. No, we not the same. Over the top of that bitch got rings, and that nigga that hell like Kane. Little boy sing like Kurt Cobain. He outside, well dang. Show like diamonds, down me dang. Yeah, she hate when I switch lanes. But little bitch, I gotta get cake. They that hoe like bang. You gon' meet your fate. So yeah, give me a hell of a night. It's gonna be alright. Fake out, fake. Them little boy get slashed. Don't fake on your ass. Feel like that little nigga up in the grass. Give a little nigga that beats like Tash. Be honest, you looking like cash. I kinda want to meet him. Bet too hot, he may have to meet him. But fire, you know what's a feature. I pull up like people, smoke on gas. Whiskey leaf, smoking on gas. But I don't.
just finished drifting thing, but now we found in the back, we found a drag race event. So we're for sure gonna go check this out.
Take Quattro.
This actually, what do you think of this? This or the drift?
Got a little small block tucked in there. Against Doug Watson with his 04 Mustang. We got the 99 model. Danny Matthews. Against Coggleshaw, and then comes up here. And Watson being finalist, small tire. Vito's big tire.
Alright, as you guys just saw, that last guy, something popped either in his motor or probably a tire, but that was crazy. I don't even know what the white one was, but that white one was, that white, either Datsun, I don't even know what it's called, but that thing was moving. It was actually crazy. But honestly, I think we're done, but I got you guys a lot of content.
Quattro and BMW will be.
Oh yeah, Quattro and BMW will be on this track soon. Don't even worry. But look at the Z. Got all the cars, but honestly, it's gonna sum up this part of the video though. And yeah, just make sure you like and subscribe.